Top 12 easy and healthy breakfasts for people with diabetes. Hey, imagine this. Breakfast isn't just the start of the day. It's the first step to fuel your entire day. And if you have diabetes, breakfast becomes even more important. But don't worry. Today I'm going to share 12 breakfasts that are not only healthy, but also super tasty and easy to prepare. Plus, I'll explain the benefits, how much protein they have, what part of the body they support, and how that helps control blood sugar, all in a simple, friendly way. Oh, and don't miss number 7. It's a total game changer. Let's dive in. 1. Oats, full of fiber. If you want something healthy and tasty in the morning, oats are the best choice. They help keep blood sugar levels steady by boosting digestion and giving energy for longer hours. Oats support the digestive system, which plays a key role in slowing sugar absorption. Just cook 50 grams of oats in milk or water. Add a pinch of cinnamon and some fruits, and enjoy. 100 grams of oats contain 13 grams of protein. The best time to have them is between 8 to 9 a.m. 2. Boiled eggs, a great source of protein. Eggs are simple yet powerful. Packed with protein, they help keep you full throughout the day, reducing sugar cravings. Eggs provide essential amino acids that support muscle health, which in turn improves insulin sensitivity. 1 large egg has about 6 grams of protein. Have 2 boiled eggs with a pinch of black pepper and salt between 7 to 8 a.m., and you're good to go. 3. Greek yogurt with berries, sweet and healthy. Want something sweet that's also diabetes-friendly? Greek yogurt with berries is the perfect combo. The probiotics in yogurt support gut health, which boosts insulin function and keeps blood sugar in check. 100 grams of yogurt has 10 grams of protein. Enjoy 150 grams of yogurt with half a cup of berries between 9 to 10 a.m. 4. Avocado toast, the king of healthy fats. Avocado is the king of healthy fats. It supports heart health, which is crucial for managing diabetes. Healthy fats slow down digestion, preventing sugar spikes. Mash 1 small avocado on brown bread, add a little black pepper and lemon juice. And that's it. 100 grams of avocado offers 2 grams of protein. Best time to eat? Between 8 to 9 a.m. 5. Peanut butter on brown bread. Need a quick breakfast? Peanut butter provides healthy fats and protein that keep blood sugar stable by slowing sugar absorption. It supports muscle repair, boosting metabolism. Spread 2 tablespoons of peanut butter on a slice of brown bread, and you're all set. 2 tablespoons provide 8 grams of protein. Eat around 9 a.m. for all-day energy. 6. Chia seed pudding, the superfood breakfast. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're packed with nutrients. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation, supporting heart health and stabilizing blood sugar. Soak 2 tablespoons in milk overnight. In the morning, add a little honey and some fruits. This gives you 4 grams of protein. The perfect time? Between 7 to 8 a.m. 7. Chickpea pancake, tasty and healthy. Here's the game changer I was talking about. Chickpea pancakes are both delicious and healthy. Chickpeas provide complex carbs and protein that fuel muscles and improve insulin function. 100 grams of chickpea flour contains 22 grams of protein. Enjoy a medium-sized pancake with yogurt between 8 to 9 a.m. It'll power up your whole day. 8. Smoothie bowl, cool and refreshing. A chilled smoothie bowl in the morning. Sounds amazing, right? Spinach in the smoothie provides magnesium, supporting insulin regulation. Greek yogurt adds protein for muscle repair. 100 grams of this smoothie base has 10 grams of protein. Best enjoyed between 9 to 10 a.m. 9. Sweet potato, sweet but safe. Sweet potatoes give you that sweet flavor without spiking your sugar levels. They provide fiber and antioxidants that support the pancreas, boosting insulin production. 100 grams contain 2 grams of protein. Boil them, add some spices and lemon juice, and enjoy at 8 a.m. 10. Fenugreek flatbread, diabetes-friendly choice. Looking for a little traditional touch? Fenugreek flatbread is a great option. Fenugreek helps the body produce insulin and slows sugar absorption in the intestines. 1 medium flatbread contains 6 grams of protein. Pair it with yogurt at 9 a.m. Delicious and healthy. 11. Banana and walnuts, quick and nutritious. Short on time? Bananas provide potassium, supporting nerve function that helps regulate insulin response. Walnuts add omega-3s for heart health. A banana provides 1 gram, and 4 walnuts add 4 grams of protein. Have this between 7 to 8 a.m., quick, filling, and healthy. 12. Green tea with nuts, light and refreshing. And finally, if you want something light, a cup of green tea with 30 grams of mixed nuts is perfect. Green tea contains antioxidants that support liver health, helping in blood sugar regulation. This combo gives you 5 grams of protein. Ideal time? Between 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. So friends, these were the 12 easy and diabetes-friendly breakfasts that not only keep you healthy, but also energized all day. Each one powers up important parts of your body, helping you keep blood sugar levels stable. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Next time, we'll discuss foods that spike blood sugar instantly and how you can avoid them. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.